Hey Algebra 1, Mr. Schachter here with a more difficult literal equation to solve. So this one is S equals W minus 10E all divided by M. And in this problem, we need to solve for E. So here's E up here, and there's a few things happening to E. It's being subtracted from W, and it's also being divided by M. So the first thing we have to do in order to free up the E is to get rid of this division of M. So we need to multiply everything in the equation by M. Okay, so S times M would just be SM on this side, S times M, and that's equal to, and then when you multiply this side by M, well, it's already being divided by M. What happens is the M just goes away because it would essentially be M divided by M, which would just be 1. So it's W minus 10E. So that multiplication counteracts that division. Now what we have to do is get E alone. So the first thing we should do is minus the W from both sides. So on this side is going to be SM minus W equals, on this side W minus W goes away, makes 0, minus 10E is left. And now in order to solve for E, we need to divide both sides by a negative 10. Divide by a negative 10. Okay? So the final answer would be that SM minus W divided by negative 10 is all equal to E. So if you were to have to enter this into formative, you need to be very careful, right? So you want to drop the E equals part, and you want to enter SM minus W divided by negative 10. But you have to be cautious and use parentheses because all of SM minus W needs to be divided by negative 10, not just the negative W needs to be divided by negative 10. So the use of parentheses here is key. Also, it would be correct if you wanted to put the denominator in parentheses as well, indicating you're dividing by negative 10, although it's not going to make a difference in this problem. Dividing by negative 10 with or without parentheses would be correct. Okay?